Ki kubor ki Pynheh. Menteri Rangbah ke Jylla ukondrit ki sangmah ne kesngi ula Pynbna baka sorkar Jylla kansa Pynheh ke Surok Weiloi-Mawkyrwat haka jenglut kumba shispa arpok lur tingkah hapok projek jangka World Bank MITP 2 pat kumju ru ke sorkar Jylla bani trailang bat ki patbak na kebenta ban kentiu ya ke kam Jngohkai Pynheh South West KHASI Hills District. Haba ajen keren ke jengelang penkut ya ke jubili kesiar jong ke Nativity High Secondary School Mawkyrwat usang mau la Pynbna ya ki kat tu kat ni ki kam penroi bekongsan ki bertemu ban kentiu ke kam Jngohkai Pynheh bat ke puli putih ha ke nikatan. Kini ki kentop ya ke pisah ke ba ar pusan klor tingka ke Projek resort hanong na ke bala penwandur ha ke jengi terilang bat ki pat ba nong song snong bat ke pisah ke ba san klor na ke benta ke jeng penroi ki jeng tei monolith jong ke snong maulang wer.
The World Bank MITP 2 project of approximately 120 plus crores of funds will be sanctioned. The estimates or the DPRs are being made, but the road for this will be now extended or rather expanded, and I'm happy to, as I said, announce this road. I hope that by early next year, we should be able to tender it out. The funds have already been sanctioned, as you're aware. Only the DPR stage is left, and that's when we'll come to know the exact costing of the road. We are
Ka Meglaya Human Rights Commission ne